All right, so on to the top story that we had told you about at the beginning of the show. Dozens of people are dead and many others are hurt after a fire tore through a building in Taiwan overnight. So Ian Lee is joining us from London with more on this story as well as others. Good morning, Ian.
Good morning, Amory. Yeah, that 13-story building caught fire around 3 a.m. local time this morning in the capital, Taipei. Taiwanese officials say more than 40 people have been killed, but that number could still rise. The fire department battled the blaze for hours, calling it extremely fierce as it destroyed multiple floors. Eyewitnesses told local media they heard explosions around the time when the fire began. 55 people were taken to the hospital. Emergency teams are now conducting search and rescue operations while an investigation is underway. So far, the cause of the fire is unknown. Firefighters reported the flames burnt the hottest, where there was a lot of junk piled up. We're moving on to Kenya, where long-distance runner and world record holder Agnes Tirop has been found stabbed to death yesterday. Her father had reported her missing. That's when police discovered her body at home in bed with a knife wound to her neck. Authorities are now searching for her husband, who is the primary suspect. Tirop finished fourth at the Olympics in the 5,000-meter race this summer. Last month, the 25-year-old set a world record in the 10,000-meter race in Germany. Next, we have the United States and Israel exploring a plan B if Iran doesn't return to the 2015 nuclear deal. Secretary of State Antony Blinken said yesterday that the two countries are exploring other options if Iran rejects the offer to go back into compliance, although they didn't elaborate on what plan B could be. The nuclear deal collapsed when then-President Trump broke the agreement by unilaterally withdrawing from it in 2018. Iran has recently hinted at its willingness to resume indirect talks with the U.S., but in the meantime, the country has ramped up its nuclear activities. Finally, we are ending with the biggest mystery of the decade, maybe the century, the origins of the coronavirus outbreak. The World Health Organization says a new task force may be the last chance to discover where it came from. 26 experts have been nominated to join a team looking into two theories. Did the virus jump from animals to humans in a Wuhan market, or was it leaked in a lab accident? China, though, has strongly denied that last theory. In February, a WHO team visited China, but their results were inconclusive, saying more work needed to be done. Amory, there's a good chance that we'll never know where the virus came from, at least from any formal investigation. The WHO's Director General has accused China of hampering the investigation by not being transparent and withholding data.
Yeah, and he's making a good point, but I think the big question, Ian, is what are we going to do about it? What is the WHO going to do about it? What are other world leaders going to do about it? Experts in this field say, we will be facing a very similar threat at some point in the future. How are we going to do things differently so we don't relive, this COVID-19 nightmare?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Ian, thank you so much.